Hey guys, this week I'm going to show you how to make this long stem wizard pipe. Stick around. Hello and welcome to this week's edition of BS with AJ. As I said before, this week we're going to be showing you how to make this long stem wizard pipe. Now if you enjoy videos like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe because we do videos like this every week. Now normally I go through my videos and explain every step along the way, step-by-step process and everything. This week's going to be slightly different. I filmed this a while back and I didn't go into as much detail as I was filming it because I'd never done a project like this before. But first thing we're going to do is take a 2-inch by 2-inch piece of oak that's 6 inches long and chuck it up on the lathe, and we'll just go from there. Let's get started. Hey guys, here's our final product. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon so we can do bigger and better projects for you guys. I'll see you next week.